The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
Oh, good.
Boy. Merry Christmas, sunshine, get our present.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
Good for you. It's the most comfy 2020.
Me I tell you, man, I true. God all the time. Boy.
Yeah.
You have good police and you have bad police. Yeah.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so happy new year to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. This is my first video since the starting of the year 2021. Yeah, so happy new year to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, and I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and according to what had been said about that video that is out on social media, it is said that members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force gave gifts to children. You see? Now I'm only telling you according to what had been said on social media about that video, and according to what had been said about this video on social media. Also, it is said that this had happened on the 25th of December, the year 2020. Now I assume that you, my viewers and subscribers, know what that day was. You see me? Alright? So let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of those persons who are said to be members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who were involved in such an event. You see me? Yeah, big up to those police officers, alright? Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a confrontation between police officers within the country of Jamaica and persons who are said to be civilians. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that this video shows how a person had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. And many comments have been made about this video on social media. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the situation could have been dealt with better, right? And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police officers are just doing their job, all right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information to determine when this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded, alright? I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it, and you can also let me know what you think. You can tell me if you think the situation could have been dealt with better or not, you see me? And you can also tell me what you think overall about this video or the incident, alright? So as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
If you obstruct the police.
No, I'm not obstruct the police. Me attack
we are questioning him now.
Sure, question.
We're not questioning you.
No problem.
What is your name?
And
Do you have an ID?
No, not on me.
Alright, guess what I'm gonna do?
Yes, sir.
So I'm have an ID when I'm in my yard, me, sir?
Continue to obstruct me.
Okay, sir.
I'm warning you now. I warn you now. If you obstruct me, I'm going to arrest you.
Wow.
Listen now.
Yes,
Do you have an ID?
No, sir.
Do you live here? Officially?
No, but
All
I
right.
stay here.
I am going to take you.
For what reason?
I'm got reasonable suspicion.
Yeah.
I'm going to take you to the station
Is that
and take
all?
bring an ID with you. Make someone call and bring an identification.
Hey, call him grandmother.
The same name that you give me, I don't believe that name.
You don't believe it. Now, is it that you're not saying that? Right, wait, what reason you have to know?
No, I don't believe your name.
What
because
reason
you
you
don't have
have
an
to believe that?
identification.
It's down me yard, me I call it.
Grandma,
Grandma,
call grandma.
A family didn't come for. Family didn't
Alright, guess what now? Put the
Hey, relax now.
Put the handcuff on.
Yes, me I get ID, so me I go call
No,
you.
no,
Alright,
no,
you can't know. There's no hand. Put them under the ear.
Viewers and subscribers, and a real, I don't even know how to really and truly talk about a situation like that. So me I said to you, I mean, the video that I saw is not really a long video. You understand me? Maybe if I had seen a longer video of that incident, then maybe I would be able to say who was wrong from who was right, you know. But based on the things that I saw in that video, you know, which is not really a long video, I don't know how to really point out a situation like that, you know. I don't even know how to say who was wrong from who was right. You see me, I said to you. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think, you see me. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that a female's child had been taken from her by the state of Jamaica or the government of Jamaica. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only telling you the understanding that I got from some of the things that she had said, you see me? So therefore, it might not be accurate. But you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this female had said, is what I'm saying to you. And you can also let me know if I am wrong or if I'm right according to the things that I just told you. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I can't like Jamaica. Jamaica, my country where I live in, I can't like Jamaica. Look on the condition where the girl that living there for years now. And she take it to the street across her because she need help for she and her picnic. She never left him lock up in the house. She never left house a bun down with him. She never left him go sleep a man yard. She came across the road with her, a beg with him. And at the end of the day, you never find her for take him from her. That means she'd have care him. Because if she'd have let scare him, resident would have must support her already. And now when Zanzan them come in and me myself and whole it more people, I plan for go help her, for build up her little room, for make sure and her picnic them comfortable. Government go take him from her for what reason? Eh? She not sleep out across the road with him. She just go out there with him, go beg because she not have no other source. Me sister, she have like a mental challenge. It might not great, but she have like a mental challenge. And at the end of the day, if she did have to stay the little boy, the resident would have called in upon her already. And she take care of her, matter her condition. You can see says the little boy was taken care of. And now when it publicize, say we're going to build up a room and help her and every little thing, and so me go out there go look for her and forget her number. And I'll put some together. They're going to tell me, so the state going to take her picnic. For what reason? And one thing me I tell you today. You see, anybody who going to take her picnic, whether a woman or a man, who no wicked. Who no heartless, who no nothing else to do. Why never help fix the house so she and the little boy for staying? Eh? And that who no Jamaican government do are the people that rule under the government? Eh? This monk people life. Separate people from them family. Eh? All she wants is a proper roof over her head. She fit enough to me and Sarah's an unfit mother. All she do are poor. Poor and being an unfit mother are two different something. Your sister she got a little boy there with her life. And that's all you can go do on top of the 3 man who rape her. And make sure have an unwanted belly right now. Go take her picnic. That mean you not tear her up physically, emotionally, mentally. Hey, you know wicked. Me tell you that you know wicked.
Viewers and subscribers, it's sad, you know. It's really sad, you see me? It's really sad. Sometimes some things can happen some ways, you see. And I assume that this lady is really upset about the situation or about what you talk about. You see me? I say, To see a child had been taken away from a mother and if that mother is actually a good mother. It's sad, you know. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You know, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.